What is going wrong normally when we have negative filter in each chakra on different levels, whatever, some very strong, some is not as strong as it as other chakras, but the filters when we are filtering, we are transforming this amazing universal energy through our chakras. It goes through the negative programs or belief system and goes to the dark side, to that entity where they like to benefit from that negative transformation. And that's happened all the time. And soon you are healing it, balance it again. Soon you start doing the real function where its your chakra are.